Hi friends, my name is A. Shivani. I'm from class SCD section and my roll number is 20951A058. Today's subject is topic computer networking and the topic is dynamic network cartography, advances in the advances in the network health monitoring. Dynamic network category advances in the network health monitoring. Communication networks has ar- evolved from specialized research and tactical transmission system to the large scale and highly complex interconnections of the intelligent devices increasingly become more commercial becoming more commercial consumer oriented and heterogeneous, propelled by the emergent social networking services and highly deficient streaming platform. Network traffic has grown explosively thanks to the advance in the processing speed and storage capacity of the staff the art communication technologies. As as the demand is seamless networking experiences that not only high speeds but also lessons and the research arise. The vision is for the smart work device to enable the data drives statistical learning algorithms for the distribution, deburst, and the online network operation and the management adopted to introduce the SP readers ship to the context of dynamic network cartography, a framework to construct a map of the dynamic network stage in an efficient and scalable manner tailored to the large scale heterogeneous networks. Introduction. The emergence of multimedia enriched social networking services and the interfriendly portable devices in the multiplying network trafficking volume day by day. Wireless connectivity through the involvement data spectrum and reveals a data on mobile networking of design nodes which are nevertheless united by the unparalleled capabilities, adaptability, and the decision making attributes, thus ensuring compliance to the service level and quality of services. Situational awareness provided by the such tools will be key enable for the effective informational dissemination, routing, and congestion control, network health management, risk analysis, and the security ensures global performance. Global performance prediction via dynamically network cartography. This section deals with the problem of mapping the network state from incomplete set of measurements and such upon two application domains. The ADL algorithm is introduced first to efficiently impactive missing link traffic volumes using measurement for the wide class of traffic partners. Subsequently, The problem of trafficking and the predicting end-to-end networking delay is considered, and the dynamic network risking approach is described. Prediction of the link counts. Suppose for now either a learned or a suitable specified dictionary B is available and considered predicting the missing links counts. Data driven learning of dictionaries from historical data will be addressed in the ensuring perception. Given R and the link count measures, contemporary tools development in the area of CS and semi-supervised learning can be used for used to form XTT, which includes estimate for the missing LS link counts. The spiritual regularity of the link counts is captured through the weight graph G with the L vertices. On the other, each link in the network, the edge weights for the edges in the G and subsummed by the of diagonal entries of the gram matrix GR. OD flows that are common to the both links I and J. Main diagonal entries of G count the number of OD flows that uses the corresponding links. The topical adopted for the semi supervised linking, thus a regularized term ensuring between to lie on a smooth main flood approximated by G. The costing is convex but non-smooth and customized solvers development for the one nor regularized optimization can be employed here as well. Once what T is available, an estimate for the full vector of link counts is ready obtained as between TXTTT is equals to BW is appropriate that the equality is implementation depends on the chosen B and DL. For the historical network data in TS in described next. Data drive DL LN its DL seeks a dictionary B, so the training data TLT are well approximated VW, T small t capital T is equals to 1 F for some spares vectors what of explained expansion coefficient. Standard DL delay cartography via dynamic network coloring instead of linking counts. Considered now the problem of monitoring delays department T on the set of multi-hop paths P that connects path delay the important matrix required by the networking operations for the assignments planning and default diagnosis. However, the monitoring path matrices is challenging primarily because P generally grows as the spare of however of nodes in the network. Therefore, at any time T delays can only measured on the subset of paths SP collected in the sector dt based on the partial current and the past measurement. Delay cartography amount to predict the remaining path delays. Dynamic anography. These sections switches gear to anomography. The problem of revolving and mapping out network traffic across the flows and given link level traffic measurements. This is the crucial monitoring task towards the engineering network traffic since can result in conjunction conjunction and limit traffic modeling. Consider a backbone IP network where N and L denote the set of nodes and the physical links of credibility. The operation goals of networks is to transport a set of OD traffic flows associated with the traffic specific OD pairs corresponding source destination pair along a signal path according over a discrete time horizon. The measured link counts. A cardinal property of the traffic matrix is noteworthy. Common temporal patterns across OD traffic flows in additional to their almost periodic behavior tender most rows of the traffic matrix linearly department and thus jet typically has low rank. This is so termed traffic. Real-time anomaly trackers monitoring large-scale IP network necessitates massive recollection of data which far outweigh the ability of modern computers to store and analyze them in a real time. In addition, non-stack to count for slowly time varying routing tables denote the routing matrix at the time t. In the dynamic setting, the partially observed link counts at the time t changes. Many alternate link loaded considerably. To end this, one possible adaptive counterpart to this exploratively weighted LS estimator founder by the minimizing the empirical cost 38 minutes. This is the equation. So thank you friends.